So welcome back guys. This is a frequently searched topic and many people want to know how to download Google Maps offline and then how to use this. So today let's look at how this is done. This is basically the Google Map interface and here you pretty much put the destination. Say for example, I want to have the Google Map offline for like going to the airport. So how do I do that? So once I put in the destination, I can see the maps coming here, but I want to download it offline. I tap on that certain location and you can see it brings like information, reviews, so many things, but I also have the option of tapping on these three little dots and then downloading offline the map. Now, this is something pretty important. What it brings is a default uh, compressed map, and this may not cover in the whole route. So like, I stay at Miapur, so I need to like zoom this a little bit more so that like my home is actually covered and Rajiv Gandhi is also there. So the airport route is pretty much in this map which I see right now. Yes, it does consume now a little more space, but then it's okay because I now have the complete route in case I happen to go offline. So what I can now do is I can click on download and this process keeps happening in the backend. So I will just show you where to access this because that's more important. So you just go out of all this and then like this is basically the home interface and then like you tap on the profile icon and this is where you actually get to see this. Now while this happens in the backend, like we will simply now pause for some time and resume once it's done and then we will go offline and then show you how the whole thing works. So well, you can see that it's finished downloading. I can just simply tap on it and I can update it as well, like if I have an internet connection. And also we can see the different settings here. Now, more importantly for me, what I want to do is I want to simply turn off my Wi-Fi and I don't want to have any mobile data. So like this is basically now the device is offline. Now, what happens is you need to understand that when you download an offline map, you don't get the walkable route or like route which can be driven by cycle. You simply get the car route. So now if I put in the same place and you can see that the device is like offline right now. So it says that it's offline. So like if I actually now go ahead and put in the direction. So there you go. Now it's showing me the direction for my place till airport and I can click on start and everything
Head
is
south toward Block 1 Entry Road, then turn left on.
everything is perfect. So this is how you can access even when you are offline. And like I said, I mean, this is always there here within your offline maps. So just not this airport, it could have been anything. It could have been a different place. Say for example, it could have been a hospital and I can still go ahead and download this hospital thing. So like once we are online, so let this device go online. So the device is now online. So we have searched for this certain place. Now I will just go ahead and then once I have tapped on this place, I can just a moment. So I just go back to this place. So I had a few net issues. So let me again try and do this. I will go to select this hospital and then like I tap on this hospital, I get this three little dots. I can download the offline map. Then I can simply zoom out so that I can at least have my place and other things. I can then download this. So it will go ahead and happen in the backend. So once this thing happens, I can actually access this in my offline maps. And once access in the offline maps, it stays there and I can access it anytime I'm offline. So well, that's all for today, guys. If you find this helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel, tap on the bell icon for notifications, do leave your comments below, do like our work, and please do share this on social networks. It would really mean so much to me. For more tech solutions like this and more mobile fixing solutions, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. I will catch you on the next one.